I've had my electric bike for a few weeks now, and I think I'm ready to share my experiences with it. I've ridden bikes my whole life, especially as a kid, growing up in New Orleans, riding up and down the Pontchartrain levee. But it's been a while since I've actually been on a bike. But I have to tell you, my experiences with this electric bike so far have been wonderful. I've added some gear to my dashboard. I'll show you that in a little bit. I'm still getting used to the brakes and the various differences in the pedal assist. But overall, this has been an amazing bike. And this bike has been great. I've added a few comfort items. I'll show you that in a bit. But overall, I give this bike 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. So let's take a look at this bike, and I'll show you some things that I've added to it. First thing I did was to order a new suspension seat. I'm a big guy. I'm 6 feet, 220-ish, and I put a Thudbuster post on there, and I added a Schwinn comfort seat. That is a really comfortable seat, and it makes all the difference. Lectric sent me a free chain lock, and so that's stored there where they have designed it to be stored. I added a set of Vincita saddlebags or Pannier bags, and I really like this. And I did something a little bit innovative, I think. I saw this on another YouTube video. In the box with the bike were some extra styrofoam, so I just put it in there. So when I run into town to go get some ice cream or something, or some hot food, it'll keep it from spoiling. So we'll see how that works. But I'm a professor, and I'm looking forward to having my computer and my books in there when I ride this to campus. Let's take a look at the dashboard. What I've done up here with this, I have an extension bar that I put in front of the handlebars. You can see my GoPro there and a holder for my cell phone. I added these side mirrors into the grips on the handlebars. I tell you, it was really nerve-wracking cutting into the grips of my brand new Lectric XP 2.0, but I'm really glad that I did. These mirrors make all the difference. Lectric also sent me a new enhanced headlight, and I could not figure out how to put it on, so I have the standard one there. Overall, I would give this bike a great review. It's a blast to ride. It has great handling. The tires are the perfect width with the perfect grips for what I need just riding around town. The only thing that I guess could be a negative so far is just the weight of it. I mean, it's 65 pounds. I'm glad there's a handle there. But getting this folded up and put in our SUV to take somewhere is not going to be the easiest thing to do, especially if we end up getting my wife a bike too. I love how compact it is when it folds up, but it's a little bit of a beast to handle, whether it's folded up or not. Hello. tell you, this Thudbuster really makes a difference in my big old behind. Talking about ice cream earlier made me hungry for some, so let's go downtown and get some ice cream. Right, here we go. Let's go get some ice cream. Hello. I'll have a pineapple one.
That's a great choice.
And then I'll do, what's that, half a pint? Is that what this is?
Yes.
Okay, well, okay, I'll do half a pint of that and then a chocolate.
Okay, sounds great.
Thanks.
Yeah, of course.
All right, we're going to look around. All right, thank you. We got our ice cream. Now we're taking off. Thanks. All right. Thank you, confectionery. Now we get to use the saddlebag with the insulation. Our insulated saddlebag. Look at that, beautiful. Ice cream purchase, now we're headed home. Big one.